officially Mrs. Soga Zulu, but it seems like Soga's gonna get into debt trying to impress Mampo with the wedding. Ona finally accepts Nkosi and Paliso's relationship. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So the Lobola went well. The families are celebrating, gifting each other. Kuthiwa umakoti usungowenu, she is now your child. Akasajabulanga uMampo. She's so happy. Maria yena uthabile kudu. She's so happy. She just got 70k for her daughter's lobola. And Erin is happy. Bagazulu, they're happy because everything went well. Libaha Mukwena /Mulapo, they're happy that everything went well and it was a smooth one. Now, Umzala Umusa is still in his feels because Mulife is also not happy that Umzala brought in a matter that he shared with him in confidence when he spoke about Mampo being troubled, Papa Haya Samunyaki, and all that drama, Maria Hulaniwa and all that. Musa went and used that during the Lobola negotiations, and Mulifa was not happy, saying, how can you come here and disrespect Swari in her house? Like, why would you do that? But Musa is making excuses, saying, no, it's part of the Lobola Shwang Mara when he shared this information with him in confidence, and then says, you know what? No wonder Soga did not choose you to be his best man because you are the worst man, winner. The worst man. Hi, Mzala then decides to confront Soga. What did I ever do to you? Why you to Sandile? Because he's struggling to accept why Soga chose Sandile to be his best man instead of him because he is family pela. Now, Usande decides, yes, and this is too much for me. Let me just crash so that they can talk. Usoga's like, no man, I don't have a problem with you. But then you know how Umusa is like he's just been in trouble the whole time. And Soga and Sandy, they've built a good relationship. They're friends, who have became like brothers now. So it makes sense Soga would want Sandy to be his best man. And then he decides that he leaves him alone. And then now, he tries to apologize, saying it's just that he's hurt. He did not expect him to do that. And then now it seems like Usoga is now putting 1 and 2 together to try and figure out imali 70k yobuyaphi ngapha give Mampo a wedding. And Mampo is happy. Emsebenzini, they're happy for her. She's the bride. She's being dressed like a beautiful bride. Umakoti, I meant to say busy ngeduku shunqe ngeduku ngapha ngephinifa, like she just looks cute. A young Makoti for that. This girl didn't hold back and ask how much did Soga pay for the lobola. And then they reveal it's 70k. Laz is like, hey man, we don't reveal these things. But now Sandile feels like lobola is a scam. Why do we have to pay? Apa Usoga is trying to put 2 and 2 together to see because they charged him 70k for the lobola. Now there's also a wedding that he needs to pay for. And Mampo she's gonna want expensive things. Mampo says, how did you feel when you heard about the 70k? I'd know Tandolavis, I'd do anything for you, you're worth every cent. I'd know, honestly, man, how did you feel? Life is expensive. The next thing, Mampo is like, but until you can pay in installments. But Soga says he wants to pay in full and also give him the wedding that she wants, a wedding of her dreams. Now, Mampo is already, because she was thinking maybe we can have a small wedding, but Soga wants to give her the wedding of her dreams. But now Mampo is already talking about florist, Soga Rose Banky, the venue Soga Sentini, Juang Mara, Soga Krakai Chelet. Soga can already see, this is going to be very expensive. It's sad because Soga might end up getting into debt trying to impress Mampo because Mampo is going to keep on wanting things that are very expensive, knowing exactly what Soga cannot afford all those things. And knowing Mampo, she won't want to chip in Chelete High. Now, I hope Usoga Shem recovers from this. And then Soga decided to give Umzala some task. A role in Shadwe he's going to control the cold room, social and distribute alcohol, and then give a speech at the reception. He's so happy at such a long Umzala, at least finally he can rest. And then Ona goes home. Ufeth wants to know, why are you not happy with Nkosi dating Palisa? So Palisa has changed and all that. And Nkosi seems happy with her. But Ona, this says this whole thing, the way they started dating, they had Palisa, they really messed up Ushoki because they cheated on Shoki. Nkosi cheated on Shoki and she was not happy seeing umngani wakhe Ushoki like head like that. But Ufeth is like, but Shoki forgave Nkosi. Why are you holding on to that? So now you can't forgive him. You don't want to see Nkosi happy. And then he said, because Unkosi did love Ushoki, but he has to move on. He has a life to live. Now, and I so hypocritical for her to say this because she also cheated on her boyfriends. First it was Soga, and then Soga with Neo, and then it was UKD when he cheated or when she cheated on Neo. So it's rich for her to talk because now she's also done the same thing. Now, Unkosi then speaks to Ona, saying that if you're not happy about this whole thing, I'm not trying to replace Shoki. Because Ona was saying that she's just scared because Unkosi just wants to replace Ushoki and move on to Palisa like she never existed. So now, she's worried because Uzo replace Ushoki with Upalisa. But Unkosi reassured her that I'm not trying to replace Ushoki. And then it said that if you're not comfortable with this whole thing, I can put an end to it and not continue dating Upalis. But Unkosi was like, Ona was like, no, what? No, I don't want to stand in your happiness. Went to meet up on Upalisa. Oh, and apologize because I'm sorry for the way I reacted when I heard about you and Kosi. Who am I to stand in your way? If my brother is happy, I'm happy. So, Police was shocked with how what are you trying to say, Ona? Said to spell it out, she's giving us a blessing. So I such a blank oh no, thank you so much. Now Ona even wants to make time to actually get to know Palisa and maybe like start on a clean slate because if Nkosi is happy, why not? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.